It's time to make amends and let Mother Earth spirit go. Oh, and let Mother Earth's beauty go.
Welcome to the gallery at Creative Pinellas here at Pinewood Park, where we continue our theme of bringing the outdoors indoors. My name is Beth Gelman. I am Senior Director of Arts and Cultural Programming here at Creative Pinellas. This time we are looking at bringing the outdoors indoors with a collective of Cuban-American, and Cuban-Swiss artists who have created different windows around the theme of flora and fauna.
First, I just want to thank Creative Pinellas especially. Thank you to Beth and to Ketsi and to Roman working on this for us. We really appreciate it. We're very excited to tell you about flora and fauna. It was the original vision of AGalbán right here. He is the artist who came up with this idea of a collaborative exhibit. He is also the recipient this year of the Beyond Placemaking grant from Creative Pinellas and the National Endowment for the Arts. So that's very exciting as well. First off, as I mentioned, this is AGalbán. He is the visionary behind this work, and this is his piece right here. This is City Fishes. Gorgeous piece. It is mixed media. He is going to tell you more about that piece as soon as I introduce everyone else. This is Adriano Nicot right here. This is a representative part of his work. These are some of his floral pieces. So he will be speaking as well this morning. And then we have Jorge Dans right here. This beautiful bright piece right here is part of his impressionistic, his tenderness series. And we're going to talk more about that as we go along as well. We also have Froilán Escobar, got that right this time. This is an amazing piece of lots of more of the surrealistic style. He is a Cuban artist as well, and he is not here today. However, he's also an award-winning writer, so that's one of his claims to fame. You can look him up. It's pretty impressive. Josignacio's work is right here. Josignacio in 1984 created the plastic paint medium. He was the first one who decided, you know, resin and art go together really well. So let's put oil paints and pigments into resin and create incredible abstract pieces. So he was here Thursday night. It was great to have him represented at the opening. And then we have Jorge Dans right here. This beautiful bright piece right here is part of his impressionistic, his tenderness series, and we're going to talk more about that as we go along as well. So that's his work, and behind you are several pieces by Leslie Hyatt. She is a local artist who has a background in theater set design. She is just now beginning to do a lot more visual arts like this, and she's kind of like an impasto style, which is the textures that you see on those roses. So she'll be speaking here on June 22nd for her artist talk if you're interested at 1 p.m.